My eyebrow looks uneven. Look at that.
It like went up like. So. We need to get close together. Hey guys. Hi. I'm Morgan. I'm Emma. And this is.
We have no idea.
We don't know yet. We're just gonna like. Are we just gonna name ourselves Morgan and Emma? Oh, my dog just ran.
Seems legit. Just do it.
I guess we're just gonna be called Morgan and Emma. Okay, yeah. Yeah, okay. Yeah,
That
so
was fun.
That was fun.
That was exciting.
This is an introduction to our page. Or our page. It sounds like I cannot talk.
I feel really close to you.
You are really close to me.
Good.
Okay, so my dog is blind and he's trying to get under the thing. Oh my god. When are we gonna start putting up videos? And how often? Are we gonna put up videos often?
I would hope so.
We
Once
should.
I get a car, truck,
Yeah.
fixed.
Yeah.
Only like 2 weeks.
When she gets her car fixed, we're gonna be making videos like every other week or every week maybe?
Possibly. Depends on the schedule.
We don't know yet.
I can't do the jellyfish with one hand though. I think having a seizure.
This is not good.
I fell over. I just had like a triple chin.